Congratulations! You've turned your dreams into a reality, and mystery awaits you in entrepreneurship. Perhaps you're craving freedom from corporate chains. Either way, the business world is now yours. With ownership comes responsibility, and you're probably thinking, what should I do next? Don't worry. This guide will lead you through the essential steps every new business owner must take. Think of a business plan as your safety net. It's not just paperwork, it's your roadmap to success. Imagine navigating your business journey with clarity, focus, and a defined path to profitability. First, define what you do, who you serve, and all the ways you can earn a profit. Creating your business plan doesn't require an MBA, it's about understanding your market and your goals. A one-page business plan can be your best friend in these pivotal early months, simple yet effective. Getting your business set up right from the start can prevent financial pitfalls and legal headaches later. Choosing a legal structure may seem daunting, but the right choice protects you and boosts credibility. Whether you opt for a sole trader or a limited company, understand the implications of each option. Registering your business with the appropriate authorities is crucial. It formalizes your journey forward. Keeping business and personal finances separate is a wise practice for any entrepreneur, regardless of structure. Invest in reliable accounting software to keep track of every pound and penny flowing in and out. Insurance isn't just an option, it's a necessity, shielding you from unexpected challenges in your business. Your brand and online presence are essential elements for attracting clients. Make them stand out. Establishing a strong brand identity creates impacts that resonate and build trust with your target audience. A professional website is often your first impression. Make sure it clearly communicates your services. Explore social media platforms where your audience hangs out, provide value, connect, and grow your presence. Networking is your ticket to new business opportunities. Forge connections that can lead to prosperous ventures. Referrals are the gold standard for marketing. Happy clients are the best advocates for your business. Proactive outreach can generate new leads. Don't hesitate to share your story and how you can help. Delivering exceptional service sets you apart. Consistency and communication will keep your clients coming back. Using technology, like CRM tools, enhances the way you deliver services, allowing you to operate smoothly. As your client base grows, consider how to scale sustainably. Growth should be intentional and deliberate. Hiring the right people can transform how you work. Know when to delegate tasks to focus on what matters. Automation is a game changer. It frees you to concentrate on strategic initiatives while technology handles routine tasks. Scaling also means exploring new markets and expanding your offerings to meet diverse customer needs. Maintaining momentum requires continuous learning and adaptation. The business landscape is always evolving. Strengthening relationships with your existing clients is just as important as acquiring new ones. Nurture them. Success is a journey, not a destination. Embrace evolution and cultivate a business that thrives for years.